Welcome to Rul-let, ABENA's own production hub for premium food packaging products. For more than 70 years, we have supplied customized household products for private and professional kitchens all over the world. Because of our many years of experience, today we are a trusted wholesaler and private label supplier and serve some of the largest retail chains in Scandinavia. Our production facility runs every minute and every day of the week, producing baking paper, sandwich paper, crisp paper, aluminium foil and cling film. Common to our products are their solid quality, high endurance and impeccable functionality. Choosing a Rul-let product is the smarter choice for any kitchen, and we supply more than 80 different products carrying the Nordic Swan eco-label. We know that it all starts with good raw materials and continuous product testing from beginning to end of production,